Hi, I'm Chef Jackie from Wild Fork, and today I'm going to do dinner for two. I'm going to help you create a very simple dinner with our never ever chicken breast, and I'm going to mix it with some vegetable. Today I found in the supermarket some fennel. You could use celery, mushrooms, steamed broccoli, asparagus, any vegetable that you find, and I'm going to combine it with some lemon juice and some garlic. Okay, so if you find a fennel in the supermarket, I'm going to teach you how to cut it. Just take the stalks out, and then just with a very sharp knife, you're going to just slice it. If it's celery, just slice it very thin. Now we're going to start cooking the chicken breast. So we begin putting a little salt and pepper. Then I'm going to put the pan on medium high. Butter is great to sear. It also gives flavor to chicken breast. We're going to place our chicken breasts, sear them on both sides until they're nice golden brown. So once they're nicely seared on both sides, I'm going to add just a little bit more butter. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice. I'm going to add our fennel or our vegetable, whichever you choose. I'm going to season it again with a little salt and pepper. Some additional lemon juice over the fennel or your vegetable. I have a little bit of garlic. We have frozen garlic cubes, which are really nice and easy. And this will be basically your flavoring. Saute it about 5 minutes until the fennels are nice and wilted. Gives it a wonderful aroma. You can add a little bit of wine, a little bit of broth, or a little bit of water to help you cook a little bit. And you let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll be ready to plate. Okay, so this is a great dinner for two. I've plated a chicken breast with a fennel, I decorated with sprigs, and I love it with a Greek salad made with kale for a great healthy dinner for two.